Hello and welcome to Smallton. Well, there's a few things going on here at the moment. Mr. Belcher has told the staff to get rid of all the old bits of track and stuff like that was left over from modifications. So, why are we here today? Well, Smallton has a parcel. Ooh. So we're going to do an unboxing. Now I've already had a look at what's in here and tested it, so I know what it is. So let's have a look. Do this together, shall we? It's my soldering iron. Yay! It's not the original one I ordered, but it's not the original one I ordered, but I had to order another one from locally, and it's turned up. It actually turned up a couple of days ago, but I had to, I wasn't able to film it then, because there's, my battery on my car has decided it doesn't want to play anymore. So here we go. Now, the next few days, or when I get the inspiration to do it, I will be showing, I will be repairing my carriage here where the lighting's gone. I've got a house that I'm retrofitting lighting to. Now I'm actually going to film this. I already started, but as a favour to Danny from South Line, Southern Line. He likes seeing kits. Well, I'm going to retrofit this Metcalf kit with some lighting and to basically make a story. And we can see that a man and a girl there, obviously in conversation, and it's a red door, so yeah, there will be a little story to go with that, but that's for later. Okay, so we'll go back down. There's also this logo of my 216, 215's up there. And I will obviously be repairing all the power connections to the track. Now this is only the 4, so we'll be checking, because unlike a lot of other people, there's no way I can have feeders underneath, mainly because of how I've got my setup here, but we'll digress. So anyway, right, here we have my little new soldering iron. It's 12 to 24 volt, and there's the controller. What happens is, undo this here, take the actual tip or connector. Very difficult to do one-handed, but there we go. That goes in there, screws together. And now all it needs is a 12 or 24 volt supply to plug in there. Now I do actually have one, but I won't be doing anything today, as I've got other things I need to do today and tomorrow. So we'll be testing this later. Well, like I say, I've already tested it. It does get hot. So there we go, that's that there. And comes complete with destructions. There we go. Voltage 65 watts. sure that's quite clear to everybody. Now, the reason I've gone for this rather than the great big dubbing ones is quite simple, in that I have a Hornby TTS sound chip to repair, which will be going in Mallard eventually. That should be done. I'll be doing that as the last job, because I want to do all these other little jobs first, get the carriage fixed and the house. The engine, it just wants the lighting redone, and I want to make some interior cab details. Now, I don't know if you can see, and that's a Roco 215, and it does actually have cab details inside. Hopefully that didn't go dark. And zoom back out, sorry about that, guys. And if we look into here, this doesn't. There's nothing in there other than the lighting. There we go. So that's all I've got for you today. Power connections will be done in the next couple of days. Now that I have sorted this out, tomorrow I'm going to go and try and get down to the local blood transfusion service here and donate some blood for the Ukrainian soldiers, since they wouldn't let me go out and fight. I need to do something. Anybody, any questions, anything you want to see? I'll quite happily show you what's going on. I will be doing some updates. Mr. Belcher's out on his office overlooking his empire and watching what's going on. So there we go. Costas Alotas is still selling cars, and we all know the used car sales is well, you know, has people like that. Now I will say that there's no particular people who I have in mind for this. It's just made up names, and there's only 2 people on my layout that resemble anybody in real life. So well, maybe 3. And we have one in there. I'm sure we all know somebody in a yellow coat who goes around railways looking at what's going on. There's that one. And a couple of people over there. Right, we've got the foreman, his lackey, and 2 other people. Now, one of them is a little bit of an homage to my dad, who worked at Manchester Ship Canal. And there's the van that I remember from when I was a youngster, and his mate there. I would give the name, but I'm not sure if I can do, as I don't want to upset anybody who from their family who would know who that is. So there you go. There's nothing much going on. The soldering will be done in the next couple of days once I have got some time, and we'll get everything running properly, I hope. So that's all from Smallton. Please like, comment and subscribe. And hopefully I should have this outer line, which is the main problem line, running correctly. And I will be checking the inner line. That's the one here. Make sure that there's power's correct on there, and that there's no nothing shorting or any real problems. So thanks for tuning in. If anybody wants this soldering iron or one like it, not that particular one of course, I can either give a link or have them sent locally and post them out. If that's the case, then I'm sorry, but I will have to charge you per postage. Also a little bit for my time, which will be donated to a worthy cause. So if anybody wants that, I mean something that small, it is ideal for doing really fine electronic work, but I will be giving a proper review once I've actually done the TTS chip. If it manages that, then I'm quite happy to turn around and say it's a good one. I'm sure it'll do all the other stuff, the other, the fine wiring on the contacts for the lighting, and it won't be too harsh for the contacts on the carriage. So thanks a lot. Don't forget to have a look at my mate Eddie Rob's channel. He seemed to be romping away and I'm still stuck down on the numbers that I have. Like I say, any comments, any help, anything you'd like to see that I can do, that I will be quite happy to do that. Once I've done all repairs and got everything working correctly, if you would like that meet the fleet day, I can do that. I can get all the engines going, even the not so happy ones that are not working, which can go on the upper level. There's 3 DC only engines, the rest are DCC. And if you want to do a meet to the fleet day, it's not a problem, I can do that. That one there, the brown tank engine, is, I'm afraid, totally dead. It will never see life again. It's very, very poor. It could be repaired, but yeah, I still don't think it'll work very well. I could be wrong, but I certainly couldn't DCC it. It's just, there's only the one contact, which is on the center wheel, and that doesn't seem to touch anything. All the rims on the wheels are damaged and parting from the plastic, so that will end up as being a dead engine that's just been left on the track. So any other little scenarios, anything else going on? No, not really. Yeah, it's all quiet here at the moment in more ways than one. Anyway, so take care everybody, and we'll speak to you again soon. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell icon if you want to be notified of any future updates, and I will see you in a couple of weeks. So take care, and bye for now. Bye.